figured out the issue. It was just a matter of refreshing the page for some reason. So we have the total duration column now, and then now we can actually plot. So let's go ahead and plot this really fast. And then I'll come back to the summary statistics. So gonna be a histogram. New underscore data frame. Total duration. Okay, now I know it actually went on there. DT dot total seconds divided by 60. And I'm doing this to convert the time delta back into minutes so I can plot it. And then we're going to do a bin of 50. And I chose 50 because of the number of, I did that dividing by, what was it? I have to remember how I did that. Okay, so I figured out why it was messing up. It's just a matter of refreshing the page, honestly. So I did that and I typed in new data frame, printed it. So you can see that the duration column is gone and now we have the total duration. And it's not going to have negative. So if let's double check. I hit filter, go to duration, hit negative, nothing's going to pop up. So we're good on that. All right, and now let's go ahead and plot it before I do the summary statistics, just to make sure it comes out right. So I'm plotting it the histogram, and I did this right here because I am converting time delta back to minutes to be able to plot this. And I chose a bin of 50. And I figured this out by getting the square root of the number of rows. The number of rows was what, 2,831 when we removed all the null values, the rows with the null values. So 50 was, and then I rounded it to, ended up being like 55 or something like that, or 54 or something like that. So I just rounded it down to 50. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it a title. We'll say distribution of Uber trip duration, Uber trips duration. And then label the X and Y axis. So for X, we're doing trip duration in minutes. And then we'll do frequency. For Y. Oh. Ins. Okay, so this shows you the distribution of Uber trip durations and it's by minutes and frequency. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the summary statistics. And import statistics. Stat. And do the average. So average duration equal to numpy mean duration minutes. And we're going to print this. We're going to round it by 2 decimal points. Duration, comma, 2. For I and T. So we'll see. There we go. Then I'm gonna do median duration is equal to NP dot median duration minutes print median plus string median duration. All right, perfect. Mode. Gonna do that dot mode duration underscore minutes print mode string mode duration. Then standard deviation. Duration minutes. Print. I'm gonna round that too. Just round that. All right. So there's the average duration, median mode, and standard deviation. Okay,